See, this thing's just flashing red.
Yeah.
You said that it just shut off and it ain't doing nothing?
Yeah.
Huh. You know what? Maybe. I don't know. This thing really ain't doing much of nothing. Hold on. Let's pop this out. What could be wrong with this thing?
Yeah.
It's not the disc. The disc looks fine. You know what? Maybe it's just dirty and just needs cleaned. Hold on.
Yeah.
There. You take that and you follow me.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe this thing just needs cleaned. Hold on. I got an idea. There we go. We'll clean it up real quick. There we go. Just put it right in there. There we go. Yeah. I get the water just right. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah, we got to get the inside too. We got to really flush this thing out. Hey, what soap we got over there? We got some of that new stuff.
Yeah. We got the foam one too.
Oh, all right. Yeah, get a little bit of that foam in there. There we go. The foam and stuff. Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's how you clean the laser eyes real good.
Yeah.
And then get a little bit in the back there.
Get in there.
There we go. Yeah. Cleaning that up. I think this is going to really work a lot better now.
Yeah.
I think that this is going to be so much better. Yeah, look at that. There's like junk coming out of there.
Yeah, look at
Oh.
that.
Yeah. Let me see here. Yeah.
This filter is just chunk.
Huh. Maybe that's why it was messing up so bad.
Yeah. Now maybe it also needs a little bit at the bottom and top side.
A little bit at the bottom and top side, you think?
Yeah.
I don't know. Hey, all right, well, hit it with a little more soap. Can't hurt, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. There we go. All right. Yeah. There we go. I think it's going to be all right now.
Yeah.
Got some soap through there. Man, that thing really is dirty.
Yeah.
Man, where'd this thing come from? All right, well, yeah, we can't just hold on here. We're gonna have to. Oh, this thing is dripping wet.
Yeah.
There's dripping water everywhere. We're gonna have to, like, dry this.
Yeah.
Here, you take this. It's a little heavy for me. All right, you go ahead. We're gonna take it downstairs. We'll let it dry out in the sun.
Yeah.
All right, the sun will dry it out.
Yeah.
Oh, well, wait a minute. You know, you shouldn't go down the stairs with things in your hands. You might fall.
Oh, yeah.
Just carefully put it down the steps. There you go. Oh, man.
Oh.
Oops.
Yep.
You know what? I think it'll be all right.
Yeah.
I think it'll be just fine.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Yeah, let's take it outside. And we'll take it outside. All right, Lou, what you doing? We'll take it outside and we're just gonna let it dry out here in the sunlight.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Enough sunlight out here, right? It should be fine.
Yeah. But Dad,
Huh?
is there somebody going to steal this?
Oh, hold on. I got an idea. How about here? I know what I'll do. I'll just park the Challenger on it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna steal it with the Challenger parked on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. went too far.
Oh,
Oh,
crappity doodles.
oh, hold on. Oh, man. Oops.
Yeah.
Hold on. I'll get it right this time. Oh,
Oh, ooh.
is it all right? Yeah, I think that'll be fine. Hold on. Let me see if I can get the tire right on it.
Yeah.
What do you know?
There we go.
Oh, right there?
Yeah.
All right, yeah. I think it'll be fine. A
Yeah.
little bit and we'll check on it. I'm sure it'll play the games great now. It's all cleaned out, it's drying, it's secured so nobody can steal it. All good.